Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Going Guitar, to a beautiful song from Ollie, Don't Show Me No Love. So Ollie's been here before many times. Check out my playlist here on Going Guitar and subscribe to this channel if you wish. Now let's go into this song, and you can see we're going to start with a setup here. Capo on first, that's necessary, and with that we're going to go over some chords. Let's do G first. That goes third on E, second A, open D, open G, open B this time, and third E. We have the E minor 7 next, and that's very easy. All strings are open except from the second A. Otherwise, you incorporate all strings like this. Next chord is the B minor. It's a bar chord, so place the index finger on the second fret and you push down 5 strings if you can from bottom and up like this. And then you need to add 4th on D, 4th on G, and 3rd on B. We have A next, and that goes open A, second D, second G, second B, and open E. And finally we have the D, and that goes open D, second G, third B, and second E. Now let's take a look at the melody first. The G pattern goes like this. You're gonna play 3rd fret E string in the bass, open D, and open B. You're gonna play for 4 rounds. Then the E minor parts, you're gonna play just open strings, and it goes open E, open D, and open B for 4 rounds. Then we have the B minor part. It goes like that. So you're gonna play 2nd fret A, 4th D, and 3rd B for 4 rounds. And then you have the A part. It goes like that. Open A, 2nd D, and 2nd B. That's the first half. The second half starts in the same way: G4, E minor 4, B minor 4, and then you finish off with the D part, and it goes open D, second G, and second high E. So it alternates these endings. The first ending has the A part, and the second ending has the D part. That's the melody. Now let's go into the strumming. It's a pretty long one. So if you grab the first chord, the G, you have that as 1 string around. So what you're gonna do here is to play down up for 3 times. Down up, down up, down up. Then comes the clap, and then up, down, up, down, up. So it's just one motion. Imagine the clap replaces the down, otherwise you will have 6 down ups. Okay, so down up, down up, down up, clap, up, down, up, down, up. So with this chord progression, you will play A with first ending, D second ending, and that, my friends, is the tools you need to have to handle this song from Ollie called Don't Show Me No Love. So hope you enjoyed it, guys. Beautiful song. Give it a try with both melodies and strumming. Great song. So yeah, play tuned.